Air pressure motor mixing and transfer machine with skip. Mertel Meister 5200. Air pressure motor mixing and transfer machine Mertel Meister 5200 is a high-quality machine with unquestionable performance due to modern technology, and it's the latest generation machine with its aesthetic design, security arrangements, and user-friendly qualities. With oil-cooled Deutz engine, Mertel Meister 5200 has Atlas Copco compressor which produces 77 liters of air per second. Mertel Meister 5200 provides ease of use by keeping customer requests and needs in mind for design and production, and by giving up difficult details. Mertel Meister 5200 control board, which is close to the boiler, easy to use, practical, and avoids electronics in design, offers use of ease with extensive tools and materials. With its 155 cm width, 225 cm height and 485 cm length, Mertel Meister 5200 with skip model weighs 1,840 kilograms. Thanks to its very well-designed engine and compressor's location, Mertel Meister 5200 saves you time and maintenance costs, whether it's used in construction or service, due to its easy accessibility. Mertel Meister 5200 has both a 200-liter boiler and an automatic lubrication system. With its perfectly designed front hood, Mertel Meister 5200 takes in the clean air from the front and passes it through its engine and its compressor group to throw out the waste air without disturbing the user. Mertel Meister 5200 offers 30% more efficiency thanks to its with skip model. Mertel Meister 5200 has a vertical transfer efficiency up to 30th floor and 180 meters horizontal, and its tank could hold up to 60 liters of fuel. Mertel Meister 5200 has longevity due to its adjustable pulling mechanism and the high-quality materials and paint used in its manufacture.